Good morning, good evening, welcome community, welcome guys, how's it going, how do you feel? Ha 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 ha. We are ready for today. Look at that price action. Well. How do you guys plan to counter-attack today's price action? Price has been like that since the statement. Well, today, exactly 12 AC, people might think I got myself a 300k account from Lucid, brand new and fresh. Evening out there, good day everyone. Well. Ha 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 ha. Bouncing from the weekly VWAP. What should I do here? You guys are aware what we should do today. We've got the unemployment coming out in less than 5 minutes. Keep that in mind. This is a rat folder news. A rat folder. Keep that in mind. Do not underestimate the lack of strength that I believe this is having today. Absolutely zero. In the meantime, we're going and presenting. Invite people, guys. Come on. We're live. Time for users, traders, and great fellas to learn how to trade. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Daily opening 24,180. Continuous dumping since. Right, almost 500 points down. This is an interesting level. I mean, if we scroll out into the 4-hour perspective, you have your weekly VWAP here, around the 700s. How do you feel, guys? Share the presentation pretty much everywhere in all the trading groups. Take the video, take the link of the video, guys, and invite people. Thank you so much, guys. And you certainly want to complete the form. Good job, Destiny. Good job. Good job, guys. Wow, look at that. 5 minute is ugly. 5 minute is really ugly. No streaming tomorrow. Obviously. No streaming tomorrow and Great Friday. Good morning, welcome everyone. No streaming tomorrow. Ha ha ha. I think I'm about to get a flu or something like that. I feel like at the beginning of something happening. I don't know. I feel like it's the beginning of a flu. There's some virus going around. I got virus by the market makers these days. I'm totally off today, guys. I slept 9 hours. I'm still feeling tired. And sore in my muscles, right? I feel the muscles are not in good shape. There's something happening here with the market makers. Send me a virus. Extra giveaways today then. Depends on how you behave. About to fall asleep here. Unemployment in 30 seconds. About to trade a YRM, fresh account. We're gonna do some Lucid trading today. We're gonna do it all. Maybe even some Savius. Few seconds and we have the unemployment. Look at that one. There's not much behind that. Look at that. 6 points up and down. $202,000 lower than the expected 212. Best of luck with the draw. Oil, longing it, right? Ha 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 ha. Look at that one, guys. You have to be a master by trying to short oil and make some money by shorting oil. Like the video, subscribe, guys. Gotta wake up a little, raise the energy, come on. Raise the energy. Nasdaq is acting terrible here. I'm gonna test out a little long for scalping purposes. Testing out a little long here for scalping purposes on YRM. Come on, big boy. We are on fire. And here's the Lucid account, $274,000. $274,000. No trading today. Yeah. Oh, yesterday's losses with the yellow box. Yellow rectangle driving the price action. Wish me good luck not touching yellow rectangles today. Bear market until Powell steps down in May. Stop loss break even. And I'm out here. $200 profit. Lovely. Think about if I would do this on 1,000 accounts, that would be something, guys. 10 accounts, it's 2,000. 100 accounts is 20,000. And 1,000 account would be 200,000. Oh my gosh. Is he going to cut the rates? I think he still has another meeting. A last one. I still believe he has another meeting. Powell. We're gonna find it out. How much do I spend for the accounts? Oh. Besides the sponsorship, I spent a couple of grand. You can't wait for him to be gone. He's not gonna cut it. Ooh. With the next one coming up, I think there's gonna be 2 or 3 cuttings in a row with the next one coming up. No matter how does the inflation is going to look like, they will cut like crazy. Right, so starting by May, the very first 3 ones are very likely to be back-to-back cuts. 0.25 points, basis points are fine. 25 basis points, yeah. You saw the speech last night. You heard the speech last night. Markets are tanking with that. I think the quality of life is constantly decreasing every week. With that being said, in the entire world, unless you guys run some weapons production, military production equipment companies, are you guys running those military equipment? Trading YRM, Lucid, some Savius. And all that stuff, right? I might be testing out a short here. Without grabbing overexposure. I'm out. We made another 200 bucks. I'll take that $400, guys. Watch out. I'll take that $400. I think that's lovely. Boom. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, it does have short opportunity. I've just shorted. Made some little money, but that's fine. Made a couple of bucks here. I'm probably going to short this. Having a hard time longing it. Even though we have a temporary little channel here for the upside. More likely watching the entire picture, it's actually different. 5 minute. A retest of the weekly VWAP 688 would be lovely for me. I don't know if we get that, but that would be lovely. Welcome everyone, great to see you on board. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed. We need minimum 180 likes, remember that, to do the giveaways. Minimum 180 likes. So invite your friends, people, everyone on board, and hit that like and subscribe. It is time to make the difference. By the end of the year, we gotta get to that 50,000 subscribers, and by the end of the next year, 100,000 subscribers. Wouldn't be bad, right? The prop space is not that big yet. The prop space is not that huge. And a lot of the people seek only entertainment in this kind of materials, right? In this kind of live streams. I am mostly not the guy focusing only on entertainment stuff and no trading. This is the YRM platform based in New York City. We're trading Lucid, we're trading quite a few more. Tap on futures, they do have their interesting product, the Elite Daily. right? With daily payouts and no consistency on the funded stage. Yeah. Obviously, focusing on trading and quality instead of other numbers. If I have a trading strategy, maybe. Maybe I do have. The best one for me, it used to be trade and hope. It used to be the best. Trade and hope. Blindly clicking buttons and then hope it plays out. It has been tremendous, guys. I don't know if you tested this, but probably you've been reading financed and paid advertising articles written by all sorts of props and exchanges and brokers with strategies, with EMA stuff, right? Once the crossover happens, you long it. Once it's oversold, you buy it. This kind of things. You see, those are all articles and videos financed by these companies, driving you nuts. I don't have a job. My job is the YOLO hope. You see, I'm not shorting it here. And that's already a strategy. I've not been clicking anything for the past minutes. It's part of the strategy, guys. The more I watch this, the better I become at my strategy. Here's the strategy. Look at that size. Look at that account. You want to see that account, and then I can tell you that no strategy gives you that account. I think Lucid needs to do a 300k account, as I guess soon right there, and the whole thing is gonna look pretty bad, right? Me writing an account from 150 to 300. It's not gonna look too good, right? Well, this is the account you're watching, guys. Right, so the trade and hope, they will transfer me to live at some point, but I want to make sure that happens when I hit max payouts. On a Lucid Flex 50,000, how much do you need to get a payout? You don't have a target. You have to pass your evaluation with 6%, so you gotta do $3,000, and then you need minimum 5 days of trading. After this 5 days of trading, well, let's not forget about this one, guys. April's Fool's Day, 20 grand. I think that's a fool's number. Probably nothing to do with the reality. So once you start trading your 5 days, you have no consistency in the funded stage. And you can cash out 50% of your profits up to the cap. What strategy do I use? I am a momentum trader. You have to be here. It's not possible to be explained, right? So you have to be here on the live stream to understand this daily. That's the Discord, but we're not selling anything. We're not selling VIP. We're not selling anything. It's all for free. With the skin in the game, right? It's all for free right here during the live streams with skin in the game. No VIP, no signals, and no blind stuff that obviously you can't really apply. I'm gonna sell some merch, yes. I think we're gonna do that, guys, and then just donate all the money. We're gonna sell some t-shirts, some whatever, right? Mugs and stuff. We can do that. And then donate the profits. We can create a campaign like this year. Giving out a car. Scramble cigars. I can do a brand. But the best thing I could sell you guys would be some green tea. Watching this one closely, and I'm still not touching. You know, I would touch the price section. Here. This is the place I would short it. Good morning, welcome guys. Thank you so much for joining. $180 likes minimum to do the giveaways. Don't forget about it. Yes, the strategy is correlated with the green tea. Japanese green tea. Oh, we got a 10 minutes filled up. Look at that one, guys. Let's see what happens next. I born in Hungary and I lived pretty much everywhere. You guys like my entry? Tell me. You guys want to see a 50 points cliff from here? I had the limit order set up. So don't you tell me you couldn't copy this. I can go break even right now, but I'm not going yet. But you guys can do it. You guys can go break even for safety purposes. No Ireland. Haven't been there yet. London, Liverpool, and mostly that's it about the UK stuff, right? Let's go, guys. Come on. How low? I put my break even here and they can take the price action back to the wick and then wipe me out and reverse. Watch that thing, guys. That's so silly from the market makers when they do that. That's why most of the time I don't like setting break evens. Yeah, I have to do it. We might get some new statements and price could actually pump 300 points. Yeah, we touched the break even. It was a lovely entry. We were up $3,000. And they had to push this one 20 points. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. How low? Daily VWAP is way higher, but we care about the weekly, 688. That's a great target, right? Green dot. We touched the algo here. But this green line, 688 weekly VWAP, that's a great target, I would say. You guys think the next candlestick is going to be red? So if you guys think the next candlestick is going to be red, it's going to close red, then the opening, I can short it. Yeah. Oh, 12%. Look at that one, guys. Our limit orders are there, waiting. Let's see, what do we get? 10 contracts have been filled. Haha. Bring it down, boys. Bring it down, gentlemen. We are loaded. 10 minis. What else do you want to see, guys? Oh my gosh. Look at oil. Soon it's gonna be 10 euros a liter. Are you guys ready for $10 a gallon? 10 euros a liter for Europeans. 500%, 400% from today's price. What is it to you guys next to you? What's the price next to you guys? Are you already paying 3 euros a liter? $5 a gallon? $6 a gallon? I think it's cheaper right now to go with a helicopter. 8.50. Ho ho. California. Oh, 2.65 for the diesel. That's too cheap. Italians are rich people. There you go. So no one beats California. Putting my stop loss on break even on this one. Maybe New York City. Break even touched. We have 15 bucks. $2 weeks in California crosses $10, right? Oh. 15 bucks a gallon, look at that. $3 million for an apartment, 2 bedrooms apartment. And 500,000 for the underground parking between the 2 lines. There you go. Trading news and tap on futures red for the news are not allowed. 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after. Ha ha ha. Massive buying pressure, guys. I'm out from my YRM. I was in a short, so I got out in a loss and we're down $4. Yes. Tennis balls. Yeah, this is not looking too exciting, guys, there. Look at that. It's not looking too exciting. I'm testing out a short. Good morning, welcome guys. Yeah, 1 minute is not looking bad for a top, even though they could still do this, right? Just to wipe out shorts. This thing right here that I'm encircling right now is wiping out shorts. That little deviation, overcut, wipe out shorts, hit the stop losses trailings, have some nice market orders and limit orders filled up for the market makers, and then dump it for 60, 70 points. We had red news today, unemployment 8:30 AM EST time. Look at that price section, guys. Promising, right? We got into a short here as well. Yes, I know YRM is updating their dashboard for 3 months already. Yeah. So for the new YRM dashboard, you have to create an account basically at a time it's going to be live with the same email you had in the old dashboard. You have to utilize the same email, the same account. It has to be the very same. Ha ha ha. 20 grand. But we got a lovely profit here. And we haven't overcut. We haven't done that. Right? We haven't done that. Look at that. This is beautiful. I guess I'm going to put a magnet. Where's the magnet? How do I turn this around? There you go. Ha ha ha. Weekly VWAP is that green line. 4,000 profit here, guys. We're going to the magnet. Are we? We're going to the magnet, are we? Ha 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 ha. Lovely profits here as well. Gonna sell half. With 30 micros, you can do this money. I'm out here. 1,000 made. Let me take that. Let me take that 1,000. It's still going down. That's why I have 10 minis on the other side. 10 freaking minis on the other side. Oh, the green line is an algo line. Yes, it's an algo line specifics to dynamic swing anchored value weighted average price. It's an indicator I have. Dynamic swing anchored. New York opens in 30 minutes. So this is the indicator. I'll send you the link, guys. Dynamic swing anchored. That green line. And these are the settings that I have. Swing period 50. Adaptive price tracking 20. And volatility bias 10. You have that on the stream recording. Here we are, guys. Still in my short. 10 minutes is beautiful here for a run of 50, 60 points. We're making $200 a point. I have to set break even, guys. I'm sorry. Have to set break even there. I don't want to see a statement sending the price action 700 points like 2 weeks ago. What a buying pressure, look at that. What a buying pressure, guys. I'm about to trail here. Above the wick. I'm trailing above the wick. Ha 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 ha. Look at that one. We made enough here, right? We reshorted. We made 1,900 for YRM. We reshorted the move, guys. Ha ha ha. So who's been panic buying this thing? I've been holding on to my short without having my palms sweating. No, they're not sweating, guys. That's where we are. Flu is still early stage. Can't control me totally yet. But by tomorrow, I'm gonna be under the influence of the flu. Haha. 1,909. Did we celebrate this? No. Here we are, guys. I still want to lose some money here, and guess what? I'm gonna short this little Nasdaq. We gotta lose like 300 bucks. Wish me good luck with that. Wish me good luck with losing $300. We gotta lose. Lovely, lovely. And now I'm starting to question this. Will they bring the price action back? Moving my trailing here at the top of the wick. If it goes above the 733, I am going to be out. No question asked, I'm going to be out. I'm trailing, so I'd like to secure some profits here. How does the daily drawdown works? There is no daily drawdown. It's a Lucid Flex account from Lucid of 150,000. Right, so this is not a 250,000 account. It doesn't exist. It's a 150,000 account. Soon, once we cross 3,000, 300,000, right? So once we cross 300 grand, people will think that I have a brand new account at 300 grand purchased. Oh my gosh, this is not looking good for the bears. There you go, 2,835, that's good. Celebration time, trust me, celebration time. There is a max loss here of 127,000. So I need like 5 days of 30 grand. What do you guys think about the magnet? Lucid flexes is what we're trading, no consistency and target. That's why you can leave winners 20 grand profit. And let me tell you a concept, guys. So you saw it earlier, how we were, watch for that pump, we were profitable like 5,000, 5,500, something like that, in our short with 10 minis, and we have not closed it. Why is it so? Well, when you have such entries in 10 minis that are looking great, decent space between the price action and your entry, right? So it is liquidity room. The only way you're going to make 20, 30 grand in a day is by not closing out on any profitable value that's below, which is not just decent, but most of the time is great. Right, so it's not just decent if you're making 5,000, 6,000 in a trade. Is absolutely crazy and so good, but at the same time, you're not going to make 20, 30 in a day by not risking that 5,000 to 6,000 with a break even and allocating more space for bigger profits in case you have that target. And it's not like not accepting losses. You have to accept losses. I did accepted losses. For example, look at that. The other account, right? This one. $38,000 on the 4th day in a single day. 38,000. 22 on the 26th, 18,000 on the other. Right, so in this 3 days, we have close to $80,000. And we have accepted a loss. When we had no alternative. So let's just do the math. I only made on the 17th. Let's work around the 18th. 6,490. On the 19th, at some point, I was at around the same P&L profit during the day, obviously, right? 6,500. The difference was, on the 18th, I decided to get out, it's sufficient, and I didn't risk that 6,500. For the 19th, I decided to risk that. So any P&L I had below 38 grand for the 19th, I was ready to risk it for the break even. Because you guys know, I always go break even. And that's the way you can leave strong winners to produce you and continue to be part of your trade, squeezing the lemon as much as you can. Look at this one. This is a very important day. On the 25th, I can tell you the majority of the prop firm traders would have lost this account. They would have lost the whole account. This is interesting, guys. Yeah, I'm really shorting this. %40 for the first 5. And then 30%. This is how Lucid is having right now their discount campaign. So 40% first 5, 30% afterwards. Unlimited. Until they reset the 40%, which probably is going to take time because the 40% has been just introduced a couple of days ago. Yeah. Putting the stop loss and break even here, guys. Maybe a little profit. We got in a short at this level too, but that's... Putting the stop loss right there. I've been told their goal is to reduce it, and their new dashboard will help them to reduce it. This is what I've been told. They will focus reducing it down to a week as quickly as possible. That's what I've been told. So it's not a guarantee, it's not a statement of security. It is obviously a speculation, and you have to think about it accordingly, right? So yeah, we touch break even for my quant tower. Pretty much obviously we were not dying downwards. You see how many trades and good trades and good profits have not been closed by me today on the quant tower Lucid. I had at least 3 trades having at the moment some good money. was desiring more because the price action was at some price action spot that could offer me a lot more than what we had. Right, so look at that 5-minute buying pressure, guys. So make sure you're part of our Discord as well. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Yes. Here we are. Yes. That's a lot of time, unfortunately. A lot of time. Five-minute is looking quite interesting here, guys, to be honest with you. The 5-minute. Really promising. Look at this 5 minutes. Here's the end chart settings. $50, $20, $10. Testing out along from here, guys. Yeah. Look at that. Oil is not looking good here for the longs. That's why we longed it. 1,000 profit already, and 2,000 profit here for our Lucid account. 10 minis. Oh. And 10 minis, resources disappear. A matter of milliseconds. What do you guys think about the opening? Having a hard time unencrypting what's gonna happen. Yeah. I want to take that magnet away. We're getting shot by the algo line. Yeah. Trying to scalp my way into profits. DC it a little bit here. Good morning, welcome everyone. Thank you so much for joining. Minimum 180 likes to do the giveaways. Remember that. Our 10-minute straight is still here. You got a payout from the account you won from us? Ho ho! Congratulations, buddy. At which prop firm? Congratulations. He got paid, and he got an account on a giveaway. Well, look at that one, guys. That's such a celebration. Right? From giveaway accounts. That's the way to go, touching the payout. Top 1 futures, look at that one. Congratulations. Oh. Time to expend and multiply. All those wicks to the upside in the 5-minute we're dealing with are not an issue. Are not an issue? No. Here's the confirmation. The price is running in our favor. Ha 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 ha. The price is running, and at some point we're gonna see 60, 70 points in a minute. And we're gonna celebrate, guys. We're trying to go for the 300,000. Let's go. Think about the positive side, 12 AC. At least that way you're not suspecting you're scamming. They're not going to suspect you're scamming with that performance. 30 seconds and out. We're making money every second, a couple of hundreds of dollars. It's not bad, guys. Come on. Don't you dare dumping it here, rejecting it here. We had such a good entry. Time to release the pressure. I'm gonna put break even or stop loss. You never know the opening, how wild it could be. But I'll leave this open for the opening. 10 minis. 200 points to the upside. How much is that one, guys? That's lovely. We don't even need that much, 40,000. I would be happy with 25, 23 additionally than what we made. Ha ha ha. If I lose this account, well, think about how much do I have to lose this account? How many points on 10 minis? We touched the break even. So think about how many points do I need to lose on 10 minis, the max contracts, to lose this account. The buffer is $127,000. So do the math on 10 minis. It's $200 a point, right? So divide 127,000 to $200 and tell me how many points are there. We'll touch the break even on both sides. Do the math. Ha ha ha. Not touching silver. So 635 points. Yeah, I want to trade the other account, which is funded too. This is gone. This is funded, 155 grand. We have 3 that are in a very good situation and they're built up. 4 minis only here. $635 points. I want to have 5 accounts ready for payout. I don't want to do payouts from a single account. Right now we have 3 accounts ready for payout, and they've been like that for 2 weeks already. Ha ha ha. Look at that. You want to see base hits? I'm out here. $461. That's it, guys. $461, 4 minis long. Pretty simple trade on the price section. There you go. We have 6,281 here. We just need 5 days. Let me see how many days we have with that one. We traded for 3 days. This account. So it would be the 4th. Oil 170 before summer. Very likely. $20 a gallon, 10 euros minimum, 10 euros a liter, and then people can have fun. Alright guys, so you gotta like the video. 137 likes, unacceptable. We must hit minimum 180 likes to do the giveaways, otherwise we don't do them. Bike is great, you do muscles, you train your heart, you generate adrenaline. Price is moving. I don't have any trade open. I don't like this, guys. Price is moving. I don't have anything open. We had a long, but we've been stopped out on break even. We went for a base hit. This is what it means. If you're not greedy, you're paying the price of not being greedy. Have you guys thought that the price of not being greedy sometimes is bigger than being greedy? Tell me the answer. Have you guys thought about it? And how many resistance and supplies we had and places for me to exit on trades where I made 20 grand in a day? So how many resistances have I missed to click? When you have no consistency and target. One minute to go and the market opens. So some of you agree that sometimes by not being greedy means a bigger price than being greedy. Casino opens in 30 seconds. Are they going to rip this back to yesterday's low and monthly opening? Couple of seconds, guys, and we're opening the bell. Here we are. Best of luck, everyone. Ho 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 ho, watch that candle. Ha 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 ha. Watch that lovely candlestick, guys. Will this retrace? Let me do some more trading here. 4 minutes long. Will it retrace, or do we continue within the next candle? Tell me what's happening in the next candle. What color is going to be the next candle? Are we still going to be on the side of the green? You see, my entry is quite high. And there's so much space downwards. But as soon as we are crossing the 800s, I'm going break even. Right now. I'm break even. Ha ha ha. Come on, guys, do something stronger than this. It's just 4 minis. So if you know the next candle is green, or at least we'll have a wick to the upside, then it's simple. At the opening of the candle, you long it. I do that a lot of times. And then you go break even if you're desiring higher profits, otherwise quickly you bank your profits. They are hunting me. Yes, this is Lucid Flex, guys. 150,000 Lucid Flex. No consistency on target. No surprise I have such money. Everything we produced. This is why you go break even, stop loss. This is why. I'm gonna try to find an entry. Yeah. 50% of your winners get touched by break even. Oh, they're not paying all this profits. No. Certainly not. We've been naturally making this money by trying to make more and more accounts and have more and more accounts touching the payout level. We've been trading even this one that is well above any problem correlated with a payout, right? We have $126,000 buffer. And we have now been trading this for 3 months. This is not even having a month. It's less than a month. It's having like 3 weeks or something like that. Oh, congratulations, JC. At the start of the live stream, 80 bucks left in his account. Now he's having 400s. Good game with that one. Congratulations. You guys think we're going back to this level? This one. We have a conjunction of supplies there. Yesterday's low, daily VWAP, 200 EMA in the 5 minutes, monthly opening, around 877, 880s. Wow. That's quite of a drop. Haven't touched this one yet. Good day, good morning. Make sure to like the video, guys. We need to hit minimum 180 likes, so you gotta do it. And join the Discord. I'm waiting for a possibility of longing this. Maybe a little bit lower. Yeah. I'm gonna have some limit orders. We're gonna start setting those limit orders up. I'm happy to take a long if they do not front run me. I would test the long here, guys. Even though it could be risky. But that double rejection here is not looking too attractive for shorts. No. Unless we dump right now very hard, then yes, but otherwise this is not attractive for shorts. 6 minis long. 8 minis long. Shorts are piling into this. We might be able to do something interesting. Run it all the way back above 800s. 10 minis long. We're fully exposed. Ready for rip it. Might be the day I lose 10, 15, 20 grand. Watch that. Watch that price section. Watch 689. Watch 689. Look at that. We went quite deep. That's the weekly VWAP, guys. Weekly. Can we get any bouncing going on from there? $20, $30 points, whatever. $50, $60, whatever. I got into my longs. New longs. Yes, my old long is still active. It's minus 8,000. And I have some new longs too. These 3 accounts are having a ton of money inside. About 70,000 for one, 100,000 for the other, and 120 for the third. Let's see if we get to see something from here. That would be quite juicy. It's a risky level. Come on, guys. Oh, we're jumping. We're jumping with that. We also got in along here for YRM. We also got in along here. We got 4,000 in YRM. Way more than we need. 5,000, 6,000. Ho, ho, ho. Look at that money, guys. Look at that money, baby. We are printing, and now it's dumping. No way. No way, guys. On that minus trade, we were down 1,000, and now we're down 8,000. It was like 3 seconds ago. I've secured 2,000 here for YRM. I've secured that. I've secured 2,000 here for YRM. Come on, squeeze them up. They are shorting so bad. You want to squeeze them. They are shorting so bad. Can't really allow shorts to make easy money like that. Look at this. So silly. I'll get myself knocked out. Oh my gosh. You never stop there. After such a green candle, guys, that's not possible. It's such a scam. After that strong green candle, we got knocked out. We got knocked out. Tell me about the next 5-minute candle. This one closes in less than a minute. Tell me. Is it gonna be green, the next 5-minute candle? The next 5-minute candle, will it be green? Yeah. Ha ha ha. You guys want to see the yellow rectangle? I think that's the solution here. Let's see if it helps. Let's see if it helps. Ha 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 ha. We're printing, guys. We're printing on YRM. We're printing here as well. Let it run, baby. You know what happened? The move started. Oops. It's dumping. The move started as soon as I draw the rectangle. Have you seen that? Have you seen that, guys? As soon as I draw the rectangle, the move started to happen. Well, well. Ha ha ha. Let me get out of that dirty rack trade. Where is it? This one. I'm out. I made money on this trade, guys. I made money on the one we were down 10,000. I made money on that. Let's see the other account. This one that's printing. Ha 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 ha. Scrambos and fire. Prop firms getting terrified. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh, $12,000, $13,000. How far this is going to fly? How far this is going to fly? Oh my gosh. How far? What's happened? What's happening on my YRM trade? 9,000 for the YRM. I'll get out of this YRM here. 11,000 bucks here, guys, for the YRM. We still have a way to go for the rectangle. Do not underestimate my yellow rectangles. Do not dare doing that. 12AC did that yesterday, and he faced the punishment. We got 19 grand profit in this trade, and we're not selling even a penny. Watch that printing, 20,000 bucks. I'm gonna sell something a little higher, Come on, shorts, pile into shorts. I'm ready to sell 5 contracts, half of it, cause greediness is gonna, you know what. If I do 11,000 like this, hard to believe what's gonna happen with the payouts. Come on, guys, send it higher. It's still not a dangerous candlestick, this one. Forget about it. Oh. I don't like that closing. Come on. Oh. Oh. Alright, guys. So stop loss here. 5 contracts right below this. We're selling 5 contracts there. And I'm doing the same thing for the other account. So we sold 5 contracts there. We sold 5 contracts for this one too. And I'm leaving the rest of it open. We closed half of it. 5 minis long. I'm not closing until we hit the yellow rectangle. Yellow rectangle is the target, guys. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna fish, guys. I'm a fishing the yellow target. Look at that. Let's go. Rip it. Chase everyone. There's a lot of celebration out here. There's a lot of celebration. We're unstoppable. Ping pong. I should go max contracts on oil. Should be doing max contracts on oil, right? This is still looking decent, guys. This is still looking decent here. Where are the bears? Are they afraid of touching my strong contracts and trades that I got here? Remember, I still have 5 contracts ready to deploy. That's why the bears are scared. Remember, because I am trading only on 5 and the limit is 10. So think about it twice. Bears are afraid shorting here because I have 5 more contracts to deploy. Chase, everyone. Enjoy and have it strong. How can you give back to the community? Depends what you want to give back. We can organize a giveaway. Or we can do cash money, whatever money you want, whatever amount giveaway. We can do whatever way you can and whatever way you want. Ha 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 ha. Look at that one, guys. You think I got scared? We're printing on YRM+TOF. We're printing on YRM+TOF. We got back in a long stop loss break even. $400 profit, not break even. That's a strong trailing. But we're printing here. And the yellow bucks, guys, the yellow bucks back to back is going to be touched. Look at that. This is not looking good, right? I'm going to take a break. 2 minutes. 2 minutes break. This way. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Hopefully this whole thing is not going to dump. I got my break even set on the other side. Look at that. Break even is set over here. No stress. And then on this side, I should be going a stop loss break even on both accounts. Right, for the rest of it. Should be doing that. We're stop loss break even. I've said it, guys. I'm leaving the rest of it to run, and I'm back in 2 minutes. Oh my gosh, what's happening, guys? Here we are with the new scramble. I found something. This is the new scramble from today. This is the new scramble from today. Watch that out. Look at that. Haha, another $10,000 here. I'm out of this YRM. Another 10 grand on the YRM. So 21,000 on the YRM. Look at the yellow bucks, guys. Here we are. Oh my gosh, what a gambling, guys. What a gambling. That's insane. If this is how gambling looks, I'm out of this trade, guys. I'm out of the other account too. How much do we have in the balance? 282, making $23,000 here. Oh. Oh. Let's go, guys. Come on. Incredible. I got no words. 21,000 for YRM. I got no words, guys. Only 20%, right? I'll get you this one. I'll get you this one. Let's go, guys. Look at that. So we gotta lose some money here for YRM. Otherwise, my consistency. It has consistency. So do the math. Do this day times 5. Do this day times 5. 21,846 times 5. 21,846 times 5. That would be my consistency necessity for YRM. Do the math. Oh my god. We're making some money. I'm out. We made 800 bucks. Call the ambulance. Call the prop firm CEOs. I don't like setting profit limits, no. Where's the shark? Here's a shark. So what is it, guys? 21. Right now it's no longer 21. You got to do the math again. It's 22. 624. We made 800 bucks. At the blink of an eye. 22,624 times 5. $113,000. Guess what? Guess what, guys? 113 grand. But there's one thing you have to see here. This one. The yellow bucks. The yellow bucks, guys. So you were not trusting me on the stream longing it and putting my skin in the game. On the live stream. While 230 people watching, putting my skin in the game. If you have not made money from this long, it is unbelievable. There's nothing that can save you guys. If you have not made money in the last 20 minutes, there's nothing that can save you. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. Tomorrow, we're going to have a break, no streaming, but we'll be resuming on Monday. Right, so trading Lucid, maximum discount scramble right there. And it's not just a discount, also the accounts will come with good luck, right? Very important, you see? That's my whole strategy about being lucky. I could lose an account in 30 seconds, but it looks quite different for me. I could lose the account in a single second, the reality is different, and the could remains there for whatever scenario. Oh my gosh. I'm testing a short here, guys. For this account. We got so much space losing money here. I'm out. 1,500 profit. Oh, you have not seen that. Oh my god, you have not seen that. We're 23,997. You have not seen that. You were watching a different scene. Oh my gosh. Now I had to redo it again. But the good part is you see the P&L changed. 23,997. Check the chat. You see higher. Because I posted earlier. What was it? Oh, good job, JB. Look at that one. Great performance. Just from having 200 bucks drawdown left. And 1,600 down on the day to 300 profit. Secure that and stop trading. Have to draw a rectangle somewhere around this level, right? Oh. Not touching just a single rectangle per day. Not more. A single rectangle per day. Not more. Testing out a little long here. Ooh. Ooh, this is pretty bad, right? Oh my god, look at that. It stops climbing. We're in danger. Ooh. Ha ha ha. I'm out. 1,000 made right there. And over here we made some money too, I think. We made money again pretty much everywhere. 24,895. We're printing, guys. Good job, guys. Oh my gosh. It's not simple longing it. $24,895. And then here, 23,175. 282 in the account. Crazy. Maddie. Maddie, call the ambulance, Maddie. He says, Maddie, call the ambulance. Like, you blew your funded while we made like 50,000 right now on stream. You blew your funded. 2 days from pound. But just past two evils. Maddie, we made 50 grand on stream, more than that. 60, 70 in the last 30 minutes. And you blew your... Why did you done that? We gotta lose some, that's right. How do I manage consistent... How do I manage? I'm gonna manage consistency by losing this value. Wish me good luck, guys. I am shorting the very next candle that opens right now. Because obviously, we want to see the price action going down, and I want to make some extra money, and then at some point, I'm tired of making money, stop loss break even, and I'm gonna start losing. I'm out here. That's enough. Lovely. Oh my god, 26,338. We're printing, guys. That's crazy. It was on to lose. $26,000 profit here for YRM. Now it's time to short this one. It's time to short this one. And make some easy money, right? No more easy money. Time to focus on losing. Can we actually lose something? Went through the TV. Look at that. We gotta do some charity for Maddie. Sponsorship of a new keyboard. Oh my gosh. What's happening with my yellow bucks? Gotta switch that over into a red bucks. We can lose, guys. I think this is going to be for losing. We're gonna do some charity for the equipment. But we've been making about 75 grand and you lost. Is there any explanation for that? You ate the mouse. What do you guys think about a short here? Otherwise, we go all the way to 24,000. Time to lose something. If this is not reversing here, we're gonna lose. Scrambles and fire. Prop firm's getting terrified. Come on, guys. Sing with me. My secret is this little shark out here that's communicating with the market makers and clicking the buttons. It is clicking the buttons and doing the right things for the market makers. Yes, think about it. But that's not possible. It was all on the stream right in front of you. Even if you got a minute later in my entries, you would have still made a ton today. Like being late. No mentorship, no VIP, no Discord trading, no stuff like this. It's all for free right here with the skin in the game in front of you on the live stream. And if you want to trade and reward me, enjoy using my code, gives you maximum discount. That's it. Let's do some more money here, guys. Stop loss break even. Touch the break even for that one. This is a little bit down. I don't know if this is a good idea to short it. Market's holding around that level nicely. Congratulations, Piro. Congratulations. Wow, it's blowing out and it's taking my money away. There's so much money here to be lost on YRM, guys. So much money. Ten seconds ago, we were down like 6,000 in this one's. Incredible how fast it moves when you have 10 minis. Congratulations. Congratulations, guys. We're doing the giveaways soon. Make sure to like the video. Come on, be subscribed. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. Be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Tomorrow we're not going to stream, but we will resume on Monday. And join our Discord, guys. This is a place of trading community for free. Oh. So the 1 hour is touching a dirty level. $200 EMA. We got in a shorts here as well for my Lucid flexes. We're not correcting at all today. No, no. Oh my gosh. Look at that one. They trying to do dirty. I want to do the giveaways. Let's see if we get rejected here. Still have a lot there. Yeah. That's lovely. Keep it running. Keep it running aggressively. Watch that rejection coming through. This is going to be... Oh, here you go. That's 50 points, guys, to the upside and then dumping. Can you guys believe that? 50 points to the upside and we're dumping. Look at this. We got into a new couple of shorts here. You know, if I leave this trade open for the next 30 minutes, I don't think we're not gonna make money. Yeah. Let's do in the meantime the giveaways. Look at that buying pressure piling up. Again, this is all a place of massive, massive resistance. Not easy to make money from shorts. Let's see what we get here. Do we have to touch the 400s again? The 24,000. However, we're going to focus on the giveaways in the next minutes. And leave this thing running in the background. So we need a ducks. We need the wheel and we need the formula. Here we are, guys. Good morning, welcome everyone. Great to see you. $26,000 profit is still there. And we have a little loss on the unrealized, but the consistency, guys. However, it's time to focus for the giveaway. First account will be... Here's the form. Sign up. Good stuff, guys. So how to join, complete the form, sign up to the form, then like the video. Everyone, you have to like the video. It's time to start the giveaways. Like the video, be subscribed to the YouTube channel, streaming from Monday to Friday. Tomorrow, it's going to be a break. No streaming tomorrow. We're going to resume Monday. Yes. You will receive the account. Not to worry about it. So, what do we do for the first giveaway? We're gonna do... Yeah, Monday's a holiday too. Maybe I'm not gonna stream. I'm not 100% sure. Not 100% sure, guys. We'll see the schedule. We'll see the schedule. So, no streaming tomorrow, and not sure about Monday. Tap 1 futures, $25,000. End of the day drawdown, instant funded. Listen up for the numbers. From 0 to 5, tell me your best number. You have to guess a single number. You can start right now. Let me know your best number between 0 and 5. A single guess per person. You gotta guess the number, guys. Come on, do it. You want to stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. You want to stop right there, guys. Thank you. Shuffle. We're going to do a plus here bonus. 50k Ignite. Instant funded from Tap 1 Futures. This is going to be bonus. If we hit that, it's going to be bonus. Right, so I'll give out an account bonus. 50,000 Ignite instant funded from Tap 1 Futures bonus. Next to the end of the day, 25,000 instant funded. I put another stop there. Hopefully it works right now. And that's going to be the number 1. That's going to be the number 1. Congratulations for the winners. That is the number 1. Congratulations for the winners. So here we are. Going for the duck race. 24 winners with Badger 25 plus Scramble here. 26 will be competing for 30. Yeah, let's go for 30 seconds only. Oh. Stop right there. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck right there. Mike as, and then Badger comes next, but Mike as is the winner. Look at that one. Congratulations, Mikes. Mikes, there you go. Congratulations, buddy. That you filled up the form. Time to see the truth. Mikes, are you here? Yes, congratulations, Mikes. Good job. $25,000. End of the day drawdown. Instant funded. Tap on a futures account. Goes out to your pocket. Yeah. Congratulations. Badger on the second. Alright, guys. So let's pull up some other numbers. Second giveaway will be... Second giveaway will be $50,000 Lucid Pro. 50,000 Lucid Pro for the second giveaway. That's what we're gonna have, guys. So watch out for the numbers. We're only going to have here a number 2 and a number 7. That's it. Just about 2 numbers. You can start right now. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck, everyone. Between 2, actually 2 and 7. Not between 2 and 7. 2 and 7. Tell me your best choice. Good luck, guys. This is a 50,000 Lucid Pro account. I think that's beautiful, right? In the meantime, our shorts are still here. Our shorts are still here, guys. Our shorts are still here. On both platforms. I can't be scared out that easily. We still have a ton of profit for today's realized P&L. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. Thank you, guys. Time to shuffle and call out a bonus. So we got 50,000 Lucid Pro, and we're going to give out plus 50,000 Lucid Flex, and we're gonna have double entries for that. Best of luck, guys. Double entries for the bonus. Think about it. Am I crazy? Double entries for the bonus. Could be the red one, guys. Could be the red one. And you might have a Lucid Flex too. Oh my gosh. You got it. That's going to be the 50,000 Lucid Flex one plus 50,000 Lucid Flex. So next to the Lucid Pro, you have a Lucid Flex as well. Oh my gosh. What do we do, guys? You've hit it, guys. You've hit it. Congratulations, by the way. So now we have a 50,000 Lucid Pro and then the bonus. We're gonna say eliminate bonus. Eliminate bonus, shuffle, and here we are. Best of luck, guys. Oh, that's gonna be heavy. That's gonna be heavy. And it could be the number 7, guys. It could be the number 7. I'm telling you, that's gonna be the number 7. That's gonna be the number 7. I think that's gonna be the number 7. Which means the bonus remains. Which means the bonus remains. Oh, there you go. Number 7 and the bonus remains. That's crazy, guys. Congratulations. So we have a 50,000 Lucid Pro and a 50,000 Lucid Flex, which came out to be as a bonus. Ho. That's crazy. With number 7, you see bonus has not been eliminated. The paddle played differently today. Differently. Number 7 for the winners. We're gonna find it out if you guys made it. And how many of you. So there is 132. That's crazy. Badger and Scramble is on the list. Look at that. Badger and Scramble is there. 134 totally. Which means we're gonna have 2 rounds. 2 rounds. Listen up, guys. I'm gonna take top 3. No, let's do top 5. We're gonna take top 5 for the second round. You know we're giving out 2 accounts. 1 minute and 30 seconds competition time here. Best of luck, everyone. 1 minute and 30 seconds competition time. That's just crazy, right? Top 5. Top 5. Top 5. And from the top 5, 2 will receive accounts. Come on, guys. Top 5 will fly to the second round. You gotta speed up at some point. It's time to do it. Top 5. Congratulations, but what's the top 5? And here we are. This is the top 5. This is the top 5. Look at that. Quantum is there. And others are there as well. So we're going to find it out if you completed a form. Gentlemen, Matteo, did you fill up the form? Yes, Matteo is confirmed. Then Malachi Sean, Mala, did you fill up the form? Yes, you did fill it up. Congratulations. Panshalam, did you? Yes, congratulations. So we got 3 for 3. Mysterious Men. Yes. And then Quantum. Are you here? Yes, congratulations. Beautiful, guys. So we have 5 out of 5 here. No one is playing games, completing the form. And Quantum, right? So we got this 5 players winning. And we're gonna do it like this, which means you have chance basically. 240 ducks with your names. Do the math, divided, and do the math. 240 ducks with your names, and you will compete for 30 seconds. Time to start this. Best of luck, everyone. Yeah. Charts are exploding. I got out of my lungs. Mattel leading. So the first one will get a Lucid Pro. Second one will get a Lucid Flex. First one Lucid Pro. Second one Lucid Flex. Panshalom leading and winning the Lucid Pro. Oh my gosh. Flying, guys. Congratulations. Ripping. Beautiful. Congratulations, Panshalom and Malaki Shah taking the prize in the lead. Time to fly over the YRM accounts. Time to do the YRM accounts. It's going to be 50,000 YRM right now. 50,000 YRM right now. I'm down 5,253. Haven't lost anything, Colombia. No shorts. Down 5,253 in the account. I saved it. Lovely. So, time for 50,000 YRM. From between 0 and 9, all the numbers have an entry. Guess the number. You can start right now. Between 0 and 9, start right now. Guess the number, guys. Guess the number between 0 and 9. We got external news, which is why we actually went 350 points. Right? Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. Shuffle. Best of luck, guys. Yeah. Oil is gone. That might be the green number 1. Thank you, guys. That might be the green number 1, or it's gonna sit on the number 4. I think we end up on the 4. Yes, congratulations. Number 4 for the winners. Good job. Good job, guys. Number 4 for the winners. Good job. This is the last giveaway of the week. Tomorrow we have a break. And we'll see if we'll resume Monday. Have a blessed weekend, guys, to you as well. Have a blessed weekend. And I wish you the best. We got the number 4 here. 24 winners. $25 with Badger. We're set and go. 50,000 YRM for this one. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Great words, appreciate it, guys. Couple of seconds. Market profile winning. I think so. Market profile winning. Congratulations, market profile. You've got this one. Let's see if you filled up the form. Market profile. Yes. Market profile filled up the form. Congratulations, buddy. 50,000 YRM goes out to you. Thank you so much, guys, for your lovely and great words. Wish you a blessed weekend, peacefulness, and everything you guys love and enjoy. Tremendous day, tremendous week. And this is a pretty wild price action here. Look at that. Oh my gosh. We went above the daily opening. And watch this one climbing above 350s at some point. There's a good chance for that. Let me be honest with you. There's a good chance for this one going above 24,350, yesterday's high. That's going to be quite wild, I think. Thank you so much, guys. We talk to you on Discord. We keep in touch there. Have a lovely day, lovely time.